Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The new Leica logo on the Xiaomi 16 Ultra is so bright, it can be seen from space. New details revealed. Xiaomi 16 Ultra to launch with renewed camera collaboration and prominent Leica logo. The network has revealed Xiaomi 16 Ultra camera details, new changes, upgrades, and launching details. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The Xiaomi 16 Ultra could be Xiaomi's first smartphone to sport prominent Leica branding. While Xiaomi and Leica's collaboration is expected to apply to the Xiaomi 16, Xiaomi 16 Pro, and Xiaomi 16 Pro Max, none of these flagships will feature Leica's classic red logo. On top of that, Xiaomi is expected to update its flagship smartphones with the Xiaomi 16 series. As it stands, the series is believed to be kicking off with the Xiaomi 16, Xiaomi 16 Pro, and Xiaomi 16 Pro Max, with the Xiaomi 16 Ultra following in early 2026. According to a new leak by a tech leaker on X, the upcoming Xiaomi 16 Ultra will feature a very prominent Leica logo, the famous one, in fact, with the red circle and white Leica lettering inside it. Nonetheless, Kartikeya Singh claims to have already received exclusive information about the Xiaomi 16 Ultra. Writing on X, the leaker reports that Xiaomi will continue to collaborate with Leica for its next Ultra-branded flagship, just like the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, Xiaomi 14 Ultra, Xiaomi 13 Ultra, and Xiaomi 12S Ultra before it. This red and white Leica logo was featured on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra's box, but not on the phone itself. Recent reports suggest that the Xiaomi 16 Ultra may adopt a triple camera design, with a 50-megapixel 1-inch customized main lens, a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, supporting 3x to 5x continuous optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel Sony LYT600 ultra-wide sensor. Previously, it was claimed that the new Xiaomi 16 Ultra will sport a 6.85-inch LTPO OLED screen, with 2K+ resolution, and symmetrical bezels on all sides, bezels which will be thinner than any iPhones. The Xiaomi 16 Ultra should be powered by Qualcomm's next flagship chipset, which may end up being called Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, known as the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset. The Xiaomi 16 Ultra is expected to make its global debut in February if the company doesn't change anything from previous years. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.